This raspberry coulis is so easy to make, it only takes 3 ingredients. It's the perfect way to elevate your desserts. It's great on cakes, on ice cream, or I even like to freeze mine into little ice cubes and use them in fruity drinks. Let me show you how to make it. To a pot, add 2.5 cups, around 300 grams of raspberries. You can use fresh or frozen. To this, add half a cup, 100 grams of sugar. If your raspberries are super sweet, you could probably cut down on the sugar a little bit, so give them a taste and use your discretion. Alternatively, if they're a little bit less sweet, you could add some more sugar. And 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters of lemon juice. Turn this to medium heat. You could also add some personality to this coulis by adding in some herbs if you'd like. Rosemary would be a great addition. I like to give mine a little mash with a potato masher to help it all come together. After about 5 minutes, you should be able to feel that the sugar has melted. That's all we're looking to do here. We don't have to cook it any further, so turn it off and take it off the heat. This is the actual recipe I used for my wedding cake. I took the raspberry coulis and stirred it into the warm chocolate ganache to make a raspberry chocolate filling. I'm going to use an immersion blender to get mine nice and smooth, but you can always pop yours in a food processor or a regular blender. And to make it extra silky smooth, I'm going to put it through a strainer. This helps to filter out any seeds or large bits of raspberry that maybe didn't get blended up. You may need to use a spoon or a spatula to help it out a little bit. I like my coulis cold, so I popped mine in the fridge. This particular batch of raspberry coulis is going to be used on my flourless tipsy chocolate cake. This would be absolutely gorgeous on my peach semi-freddo, which only takes a few ingredients as well. If you found this video helpful, please head down below, hit the like button or the hype button if it's available to you, and thank you so much for watching. And why not tell me in the comments what you'll be using this coulis on? See you next time!